Hi everybody, today we're in the kitchen. We're about to attempt the impossible. We are going to make raw vegan fusilli. So tonight we're all going out and we're going to this place that doesn't have a vegan menu, and they said that vegans can bring their own food. And so I thought, wouldn't this be the right time to be a little bit adventurous and try and do something that's difficult and creative and bring it over and kind of show off. So wish me luck because I'm about to do this. So here they are. They've been in the dehydrator for a little over an hour. They're quite firm on the outside, which is just the way that fusilli are supposed to be. I still have to work a little bit on the shaping. I tried two methods and I put them both here. And if you guys have any tips, please do comment below because I want to kind of perfect this one. I've gone ahead and made some pesto, so I'm about to have this treat. So here's my pesto. This is from my book, 30 noodles. Here's a fusilli. You see how nicely it works together? Of course, you can have this recipe with any topping. You can make this for lasagna, spaghetti type recipes. It's a basic type pasta taste, so it really can go with anything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to know more about raw veganism, if you want to know more about how I detox, what I do, get free recipes. It's all on rawmanteas.org. And now I'm gonna have a little bit of a taste.